Hello, everyone. This is Christopher Walker here, your civil leader at Connective. And this example, we are going to show you how to withdraw your money from your trading account out of your broker and to your wallet or to whatever destination, whatever bank account, wherever you want to send your money to. Please note that the first way you upload your money is the same way you have to withdraw for the first time when you're doing a withdrawal. For example, if you uploaded your money via a credit card, you need to withdraw your money back to your credit card the first time, and the second time you could do any amount of withdrawal. So for this example, we'll be doing it to your crypto wallet. So we have to know how much is actually in your wallet. So you press the four squares in the top right-hand corner. So for this example, we are seeing that there's 0.01 USD. Here, we're going to go to the menu to transfer the money from your wallet and from your trading account to your wallet. So click on menu, then transfer. From here, we're going to transfer the money from your trading account. So you have to select the trading account that you want to transfer the money out of. And then you're going to send it back to your wallet. So you click on the drop down and you click on the trader account that you want to transfer the money out of. And you're going to put the amount you want to transfer to into your wallet in the transfer amount. So whatever you choose to transfer out, you could choose and do so. And then you click on transfer funds. From here, your money will be in your wallet, right? If you look on top, you see the amount has changed in your wallet. So you're going to withdraw it now from your trading account to whatever medium you want to transfer it out to. So to do so, you click on menu again, then you click on withdraw. As you would see your withdrawal screen, you see Visa and MasterCard. This is actually one of the methods you could withdraw from, but we're going to change this method because we're going to withdraw via crypto. Press the four boxes in the top right-hand corner to carry back up the screen. So we're going to change the withdrawal method. We're going to scroll up and click Change Withdrawal Method. Here you'll see multiple ways to withdraw your funds. That is one of the things I really like about this broker. So for this example, we're going to click on Crypto Payments B. From here, you scroll down and then you enter the amount you want to withdraw that you place in your wallet. For this example, it's $200. Now we're going to choose the cryptocurrency that we want to use to send it to. I mainly like USD Tether TRC20 because it is, one, a lightweight cryptocurrency, and two, the charges for this is medium. They'll probably charge like $1. And in the crypto address, you paste the crypto wallet that you want to send it to. Ensure the wallet that you're using is the same as Tether TRC20. Then when you hit withdraw, you will get a message of a two-factor authenticator code coming to your email. So you hit withdraw. All right. Now you go to your email address to ensure that you get the code to put in here. So you go into your email address. All right. Go back out one. Press back once so you can ensure that you see the code. And you copy that code. And you could go ahead and paste it into the verification area. And then you click submit. And that is how you withdraw your money from your trading account. And happy trading, guys. God bless.